What happens when you build a painting in layers and then introduce one unexpected color? Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'm working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas using layered blues, violets, white, and silver to create an abstract design. But before we get into it, can you guess the surprise color I'll add at the very end? These colors naturally flow together, creating something calm and cohesive. But sometimes adding contrast can completely shift the energy. Layering paints in stages allow you to adjust the composition as it develops. Each step builds on the last, giving you more control over the final outcome. I started by placing puddles towards the center of the canvas, giving the colors space to interact. The wooden skewer is just one of the many tools you can use in fluid art to create movement and design. You can use brushes, palette knives, blow dryers. There are so many different ways to guide the paint. I personally like using the skewer because of the patterns it creates. It allows me to add fine lines and direction without disturbing the paint too much. That's why you'll probably see me use it a lot on this channel. It's one of my favorite ways to bring detail and character into the piece. After tilting, I started to notice a few areas that feel a little empty. So I go back in and add more puddles of paint in those spaces just to bring the composition back into balance. Then I take the wooden skewer again and gently pull through the new paint, creating movement and connecting it with the existing design. After that, I tilt the canvas once more, allowing everything to stretch, blend, and settle into place. This step really helps unify the painting and gives those quieter areas more presence. Now I'm introducing a pop of orange. Up until this point, the painting has been living in cooler tones, blues, violets, silver, very calm, very fluid. But orange brings something completely different. It adds warmth, energy, and a sense of life that wasn't there before. Orange is often associated with creativity, confidence, and expression. It's a color that doesn't sit quietly. It moves, it speaks, it brings attention to itself in the best way. And sometimes that's exactly what a painting needs. That one unexpected color that shifts everything, that breaks the calm just enough to create balance. As I add the orange, I'm not trying to overpower the piece. I'm letting it weave into the design, giving it a new layer of movement and a focal point that draws the eye. This is one of my favorite parts of the process, when the paint starts to come alive in a different way. See a battle of dragons in the sky. Do you see it too? Or something completely different? Let me know in the comments. You can see how the final layer changes everything, adding contrast, movement, and a new focal point. This is the beauty of fluid art, adjusting, experimenting, and letting the paint evolve. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. Stay creative and remember, keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.